coming to you guys with a very quick show and tell. This is another wig that I bought myself. Now, like historically, I don't like blunt cut bobs. Like when Yara was like super popular last year, I stayed away from it because it's just something about the blunt cut. I didn't get it last year. And then I did try my first blunt cut bob, and I tried it in 2 different colors, like a blonde color and then a teal color, and I hated that wig. But I saw this. This is from It's a Wig, and this is their wig in the style ONIKA or ONIKA, however you prefer to pronounce it. And I have it in the color TTP Chestnut Brown, and ONIKA is curling iron safe. It has a lace center part, and yeah, that's about it. So first of all, I wanted like a brownish color. I was even gonna try the golden blonde color that they have, or the golden copper that they have, but I wanted to go with a more kind of subtle brown, so I went with this. This is my first time trying it on, like today, like 15 minutes ago, and it's so beautiful. Like I really like this wig and how it looks on me. It's like instant sophistication as soon as I put it on. Like, it's so pretty. This has 2 combs in the front, adjustable straps, and a comb in the back. It has just the parting space in the middle. If you shift it, I think it's gonna mess up the look because it specifically says lace center part, so I believe it's supposed to be in the middle part, and I'm not going to try it on the side because I don't think it's going to look right. So I'll show you guys what it looks like all out. Yeah, so if you're wearing it just like this, the front parts are even, and this is how this looks all straight down, is why I don't like blunt cut bobs, just for the way it looks on my face. It just kind of doesn't do anything for me. But when I put one side behind my ear, I think it gives it a more youthful look, and it opens up my face a little bit. So you have that straight, you have it straight down on one side and then tucked behind your ear. I just think that looks so youthful and sophisticated at the same time. So it has a dark root, and then it goes into that chestnut brown color, which is blended really well. The texture of this hair is a yaki texture. It does have it has a little bit of luster, but it's not like unnatural. It also has faint crinkles in it, which some people don't like, and I try to mention that every time I do have a wig that has the faint crinkles in it, but it's not really bad in my opinion. So I have a little bit of my natural baby hairs out in the front, but you can't really even see that, so I was in there. So I have a little bit of my natural baby hairs right here, and then the wig starts. And I feel like the parting space looks natural. It looks pretty good. As the parting space goes though, if you run into any problems, it might be with the parting space. So definitely take the time to make it look natural. Add your pressed powder, wear your wig grip so it doesn't slide back. And if you need to resort to it because the line of demarcation is too obvious or anything like that, get your Got2b glue, put it underneath your parting space, hold a comb or your finger there for like 30 seconds or a minute, and then it should lie flat. But I didn't have to do any of that. Just have my wig grip on. I adjusted the straps because this cap, even with the wig grip, this is a large cap. So keep that in mind. If you have a smaller head, you're gonna have to adjust your straps. If you have a big head like me, this is great because you have so much room. I have no tangling or shedding as of right now, which is pretty typical with, you know, shorter wigs, because I mean, it's not that much hair to tangle. Eventually it will tangle, but not right now. Yeah, so overall I think this is absolutely beautiful and very sophisticated. I really like how I look in this. This is pretty. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360. It comes to my collarbone, so I'm gonna say it's about 12 inches long, And keep in mind, because I had some issues with this like 3 years ago when I wear bobs and stuff, I have a longer neck, which means it's gonna appear a lot shorter on me than somebody that has a shorter neck. So what looks like 12 inches on me might be like 14 inches on somebody that has a shorter neck. So keep that in mind before you purchase this wig. So this is what it looks like on me in all directions. And with any straight wig, make sure your hair is braided down really, really flat. Or if you have a lot of hair, just try to put on 1 or 2 wig caps or something. Put on like 2 wig caps so your hair is really flat, so you get that natural sleek look. My hair is not as flat as it could be, but it still lays flat and it looks really good. Yeah, I really like this wig. If you are interested, I will leave several different links from different websites in the description box for you guys. I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, turn on that notification button so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.